Hey smart marketers and business owners! Want to know how easy to create video memes like this? If so, you need to watch this video. Did you know, more than 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute? Facebook, on the other hand, gets more than 8 billion video views per day. And while a recent study claimed that 73% of consumers found videos to be a persuasive means to take a purchase decision, using a video can help you convert traffic into business. To help you make the most of video memes, and to assist you in the generation of free unlimited buyer traffic, I would like to introduce you to ultimate tool to grow your buyer traffic for a free called VidViral 2.0. VidViral 2.0, the cloud-based all-in-one video app, is now available in the market. This is a one-of-a-kind video enhancing tool that lets you do all the functions listed below. Source videos from your favorite video sharing website or device. Add elements to your video with an easy-to-use interface. Select from more than 50 high-converting video templates. Add headers, footers, emojis, captions, timeline bars and more. Watch this video demo.
Hey guys, welcome to the demo video of VidViral. In this video, we are going to see how VidViral can increase your video views and bring you huge traffic. Now, video is an amazing tool to engage audiences and drive massive traffic. However, nowadays, viewers' attention spans are going down and most of the people just scroll down without noticing half of the videos. Now, VidViral will help you grab those eyeballs and increase your video views massively with just few simple steps. It will help you convert normal videos created with any video builder out there and convert it into a viral video meme ready to post on social networks and drive massive traffic. So now I'm logged into my cloud-based dashboard to show you what's inside. We'll get started with creating a new campaign. In order to start creating a video meme, you just need to provide a name and select a video source. Now we have a great flexibility here. You can upload your videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Amazon S3, Dailymotion, Facebook, Instagram, as well as you can upload from your own computer as well. So for now, for demo purpose, I have selected one YouTube URL. I will click on proceed to next step. Now once you do that, you will be taken to a themes page. Here you will find 50 plus high converting themes. Okay, all done for you. Now, so we have two types of themes available here. First one is square one and second one is vertical one. So if you wanna drive traffic from your Facebook and Instagram newsfeed, if you wanna grab more attention from there, then you can go ahead and use square ones. And if you need vertical videos like for Facebook stories, Instagram stories, Snapchat, WhatsApp stories, then you can go ahead and click vertical. Alright, so I will quickly go ahead and select one square theme right here. Amazing. So on the right hand side you see a drag and drop video meme editor. So this is your video. You can resize video as you want, place it anywhere on the canvas. Now you can add different kinds of elements such as text, backgrounds, icons, emojis, even countdown timers, even animated GIFs as well. Now we'll go through one by one. The first one is text. This theme already have some text over here. You can go ahead and quickly customize it. Right, so there are different kinds of text customizations available, such as fonts are there, font size, everything that you need is inside here. You can quickly make it a little big to make it eye-catching. Alright, so we'll quickly go ahead and show you how to add any shapes on the video. So you can add any kind of shapes, you can flip them, you can give them colors. Alright, so you can be as creative as you want. Then there is a drawing mode as well. You can directly write over here and that will be converted into an image for you. Now the second section is background. First you can select a normal color background as well, like this. Okay, or you can go ahead and choose a background image from our library, as well as you can search any kind of background images from Unsplash as well. So we have a great flexibility here. We'll go ahead and select this background for now. Amazing. Now we need to make this a little eye-catching again. So I just added a text background color to it. Okay, that looks solid now. Now there are icons as well. You can go ahead and add any icon from here like this. You can customize their colors as you want. You can add a custom color as well from here. Then there are lots of emojis available, so you can just go ahead, pick the suitable one in order to grab attention like this. You can place it anywhere on the video, right, like this as well, right? So we have tons of emojis available. Then you can also add animated GIFs from Giphy. You can go ahead and search here GIFs. All the list will be shown over here, and you can easily click on this and get it inside the canvas, right? On the canvas it doesn't show that it's animated, but in the final render it will show the correct GIF as shown over here. Alright, so I'll quickly go ahead and delete that for now, right? Then the last option is timeline bar settings. So timeline bar is nothing but a video progress bar. Okay, so it keeps people engaged to your video. Okay, you can change any colors from here. Okay, we'll select a suitable color for here. I'll quickly delete this now. We'll adjust it anywhere like this. Perfect. Then you can upload any image from your computer, and you can bring it. So I have this one GIF image uploaded from my computer. You can directly insert it anywhere, right? And it will be animated once the video renders. So there are text and shapes, backgrounds, background color, background images. There are icons, there are emojis, there are animated emojis as well as animated GIFs. Then timeline bar, and the one last section is counter timer. You can go ahead and create a counter timer like this. You can customize its background color, digits color, then generate a GIF from that, and you can add that GIF directly onto the canvas, and that GIF will be rendered along with the video, so you have instant scarcity in your videos. Amazing. So once you are done with all the settings, you can go ahead and click on the render button, and your video will be rendered in few minutes depending on the length of the video. Alright, so it says now your video is currently rendering in the background. Then once it's rendered, you can easily share it to Facebook and YouTube from here, or you can download it. If you are not satisfied with the video, you can go back to the editor once the rendering is done and make changes and render it again. Alright, so now let's go to the dashboard and see some other options such as multilingual. So you can come over here and select any language that you want. You go ahead and select Dutch for now. All your app will be converted into Dutch language. Similarly, you can convert all app language to any language available over here, and you can create viral video memes in any language possible. Alright, so that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Amazing, right? Use VidViral 2.0 to drive unlimited buyer traffic for free and engage with your prospects to convert them into guaranteed buyers. All this without the need to be a video expert to use this software. Get VidViral 2.0 for special discounted price plus exclusive bonuses. Click the link on the description now. See you at the inside. Don't forget to like and share this video.